kayong nasanayan, pag may tanim pa dyan, lahat kayo alis. I do not care even if your chief of office or your CO there knows or has nothing to do. Istasyon ganun rin. Kung ang chief of police, hindi niya kontrolado ang police niya, may police niya naglalaro, out sila na. And I will accommodate you sa Mindanao. Doon sa Zamboanga. Magandang ano doon. Zamboanga, maraming beach. Sa harap ng Zamboanga is an island called, anong pangalan ng island dyan? Kasi maraming kinikidnap dyan. Dyan na kayo magligo-ligo muna. Do not do it to me. Because I said, I am awed and humbled by the vote given to me by the people. For after all, I did not also ask that I be president.